I'm Sarah here in the classroom at Craft Habit in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today I'm going to tell you about my summer dress challenge. So this dress that I'm wearing, I did not make it, but I did buy it a little while ago and I really like it. It's rayon, it's loose and easy, it's got pockets, which I love, and you can't tell, but it comes down below my knees, which is tough to find because I'm quite tall. So I really like it a lot. I bought it, I wore it around for a couple weeks, I washed it and dried it, it went through the washing machine and dryer just great. So then I bought 4 more of them in different colors. So this is gonna be my summer wardrobe for the next 3 months that it is very hot and humid here in North Carolina. But I realize, these are cute dresses, but they're fast fashion. So I'm gonna do a little bit of crafty embellishment on them. So I've got this beautiful coral one, got it in army green, this gorgeous teal color. I think I'm gonna wear this one to a wedding later in the summer, so this one might get some extra special treatment. And this one in sort of like a lavendery gray type of thing. So I'm going to embellish these at various levels of fanciness. We'll see. I'm gonna do a lot of embroidery probably. We have tons of embroidery thread here. We get this from Weeks Dye Works, which is located here in North Carolina, close to us in Garner. I love their stuff. We have a lot of embroidery inspiration here as well. We've got some iron-on patterns from Stitcherama. I think both of these are great. We also have iron-on patterns from Sublime Stitching. A lot of different options for these. They're super cool. We have a lot of books about embroidery. This one is called Hoop Dreams. It has gorgeous botanicals in it. There's lots of cool ideas in here. She's even got some embellishing your clothes ideas. Another one we've had is called The Geometry of Hand Sewing, and this is gorgeous. This is really about just like slow stitching and embellishing things beautifully without being too super fancy. I like this one a lot. I think some of these patterns would be great for, say, like along a neckline or along a bottom hem, or maybe even the pockets, maybe even the button placket. You can kind of do those anywhere. One new book we just got is called Make and Mend, and this one is Sashiko inspired designs. You can see the cover's got some of that running stitch. There's some lovely designs in here. There we go. That's a good page. It's got some really cool Sashiko in there. So that's all embroidery stuff. I'll pull inspiration from there and from my own brain and everywhere else. We also have the option to change out buttons. I've got lots of different buttons at Craft Habit, so I might change the buttons. These each have 11 buttons on it, so it's a lot of hand stitching, but I think it'll be worth it. We also have some cool trims. I've got this coral fringe stuff that I've been dying to use on something. I'm not sure exactly what. I guess it actually might look really cool on this black dress. I was hoping it might work with this coral, but they fight a little bit. I also have the same trim in this navy blue though, so that might work on something. We have other ribbons here too. We've got twill tape. I might use one of these or another color to change out the straps. This one purple dress, I did have a little mishap when it washed. The strap started to come unsewn and frayed a little bit, so I might change these straps out for something else. And if I do something kind of plain like a twill tape, I might also embellish the twill tape. We'll see. I'm getting ambitious. One of the reasons that I'm making this video is that I love doing crafts, but I'm really slow and I need accountability. So I'm going to keep making videos throughout the summer to show you my progress on all my different dresses. So I would love to hear your comments and your suggestions. What would you do if you had 5 of the same dress? How would you make them different? I'd love to know if you have embellished your clothes before, if you've remade things, how you take maybe fast fashion items and make them more personal and more valuable to you. I'd love to hear all about it, and I will check back in with you soon with some updates on where I've gotten to. I hope you're having a good summer. I hope you've figured out your summer wardrobe, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.